Well, I'm working on this, it's a moose. It's a ceramic yard figurine, and it's kind of old, and I just pressed on this area and it caved in and made a big hole. So I'm trying to fix it, and what I did was this is some webbing from aluminum lawn chair, and I cut a circle and I glued a popsicle stick to my circle, and then I got it in there now, and I'm gonna use my trick with the graphite and super glue. So first let's see if I can get it in there, get it to stick. Well, here's the repair now. I just used my Dremel with a cutoff wheel. And I used the cutoff wheel like a sandpaper. And it's harder than the ceramic, I'm sure of that. This stuff is hard to sand off. So, if you need to repair your outdoor ceramic art, you might try that super glue, baking soda, and graphite, and maybe a little bit of lawn chair webbing. I thought of using window screen also, but I couldn't find any right offhand. I think that's going to work.